Hi, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads, and I have an unboxing to share with you today. This is the July 2022 Paper Pumpkin Card Kit, Sending Good Thoughts. A Bermuda Bay stamping spot. Oh my, look at this stamp set. A gorgeous schooner, wishing you all the best, starfish, thinking of you, can't wait to see you, a scroll, the seahorse, seaweed, and another sentiment, sending good thoughts. Right now, until August 31st, you can get free celebration items when you purchase a prepaid paper pumpkin plan. Check out the shopping link in the description below. I'd love to be your Stampin' Up! Demo. I'll talk about August's kit later in this video. Stampin' Dimensionals, mini glue dots and linen thread, balmy blue envelopes, enough for 9 cards, first up are some card layers. There's a lot of texture on here, and it's Bermuda Bay in color. And the back is plain. And there's enough for 3 cards. Here's another card layer, and there are embossed clouds and then like waves across the bottom. And again, enough for 3 cards. More card layers and fresh freesia with like a scale type pattern, kind of like a mermaid or fish scale. 1, 2, 3 fresh freesia card bases. Oh, look at these bottles, 3 different sizes, and then a pool party banner. And there's 3 sets of these. More card bases, and these are basic gray. Assorted labels, both banner strips and circles. Bermuda Bay card bases. These die cuts are amazing. There's coral, seabirds or seagulls, a seahorse, starfish, and there's 3 sheets of them. Each kit has instructions for suggested layouts and some alternatives to get you started. I can hardly wait to get crafting with this kit. And here's a little sneak peek of August's kit. It features watercolor sunflowers, and you get 2 ink spots instead of the normal one, plus a free gift, which I happen to know is gold foil honeycomb sheets. Subscribe by the 10th of August to get this sunny kit. Link is below. Find more paper crafting inspiration at Thanks for watching, and please hit that thumbs up button